hit the red button. Oh, it's on? Okay. I wanna play a game.
What's going on here?
You're a pizza man, is that correct?
Yeah, what's that got to do with anything?
Well, 5 years ago, you delivered a pizza here. It was 30 minutes late. It should have been free. But I had to pay full price. So now you're gonna pay the price. With your life.
I'm sorry. What's going on here?
The room is slowly filling with toxic gas.
Toxic gas?
Faster, faster, faster! I didn't feed you all those burritos for nothing.
Oh! How do I get out of here?
Now you must find the key to the door. And you better hurry. You don't want to end up like your friend.
Oh! Oh. Well, how do I find the key?
Follow your heart.
You mean this thing?
Oh my god. Oh, that's sick. Oh, you're gonna. Oh my god. Oh. Oh. Put that away. God, you're sick.
Aww. Oh, the key, that's right. You mean this key?
No.
Oh. This key.
For God's sake, no.
This key.
Yes, fine. Yes, that's the key. Yes.
100% sure. You're absolutely positive this is it. You would sacrifice your tree friends for this.
It doesn't matter if that's the key. The door is sealed shut, and you will never leave.
I mean the door doesn't work. Quit playing with my emotions. This looks like a job for the Albanian celibate.
What is this? What's going on?